have no idea what this haircut is. It's like the littlest Hanson brother meets Florence Henderson. I'm pretty sure you can tell from the last video, but in case you couldn't, I am a little bit of a trinket hoarder. So I thought a good idea would be to make ornaments with some of the tiny stuff that I have too much of. So I'm loosely sorting these into categories of what kind of environment they're going to be in, and also I'm deciding which ones I want to actually use and which ones I'm keeping or just getting rid of. All right, so first things first, we need air dry clay, a sand color, and some sand. Ooh, that was a lot. But would you look at that?
Sandy!
Yeah. And then just some little accessories to stick into the sand that look like they belong there. I did end up making an impression in the clay before it dried, just so that I wouldn't forget where I was gonna put them, and also so there'd be a dent to glue them to, just in case the clay was uneven. And then I'm gonna take some of this tiny rope string and wrap it around the top of the ornament, and then put a little bow on it, because it kind of matches the beach theme, I feel like. And then what else looks like sand? Oh, I don't know, the desert. Throw some cactuses, cacti, whatever, in there. What else could I possibly get away with using sand for? Oh, I don't know. Now, a couple of these did get some fancier environments, like this one and this one, but I put the art block too far back and now it looks like a baby with a speech impediment wrote it. Now, as far as these other ones go, I was really not sure what I was gonna do with these because, I mean, some of them just aren't that visually interesting, let's be honest. Like this, just a plastic box. There's nothing in it. You can't even open it. I don't know whose idea this was, but don't let him make nothing else, that's for sure. So I only ended up making 3 of these because they just weren't as fun to make as the Disney ones, so. Got a lot of leftover supplies, which I'm also putting in the shop because I don't need these. I feel like there was something else I was supposed to mention. Oh, I finished these. I decided to try a different color than the ones we had last year, and to be honest, I really like these. I tried putting the patch straight onto the hat, but because of the cable knit, it looked kind of funky, so I decided to iron them onto some felt and then embroider that onto the hats. We also have these ones which match the patches better than I ever could have imagined. But now it's time for some bears. I gotta be honest, I did not get as many done as I wanted to, but I did remember to film some of it. So you win some, you lose some. I didn't make enough bears. That's what you didn't do. Now, I know this is kind of a shorter video. Is this the shortest video I've done? Maybe. Which is weird because I made a lot of stuff. It's just, I was trying to make about 30 things at once and also trying to figure out other Christmas stuff that I can't talk about yet because they watch my channel. So I filmed a decent amount of it, but it's just not enough for it to be a super long video. Sometimes I wonder if I should just, in instances like this, make shorts. I don't know. It's definitely something that I'm considering going into next year, as well as a few other things. I am definitely still gonna be doing the normal stuff, like the bears, the keychains, the earrings, all that mess. But I just don't know how I wanna go about sharing the process of that. I don't know. So if you guys have any opinions or suggestions, let me know. I will say, even though this video is super short, I did just get the supplies in the mail for the next video. Here's a hint. I'm pretty excited about that one. But before I forget, as per usual, everything in the video, some more stuff that I forgot probably, is gonna be listed in the shop now. And that does mean, unfortunately, this video is over. But I'll see you in the next one. So until then, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you next time.